Okay, so Myan Rinse is on his way over here. Today we're gonna do his K&N cold air intake, and that's just a quick install. Uh-oh.
Not to me.
Am I doing this wrong? Shouldn't be all that extra. Oh yeah, no, we're doing it right. It's just...
Oh, okay, so these go on here.
It's just long. Install the long piece of edge trim. Some trimming of the edge may be needed. Okay. So they give you a little bit extra on purpose. And that's basically what I want to do. Cool. Yeah. Here's the part that you're paying all the money for.
Because it has to be perfect.
This little square. Because you can buy a tube and route it anywhere. You can buy this tube at AutoZone. This is the important part. And that. But you could drill a hole in it. So next we need the two grommets that go in here. Force this grommet in here.
So I got to put some tension on.
And then this barb 90 goes in that sucker. Hey, YouTube friendly, please.
Oh yeah, that's right. Sorry. I didn't think it added that much. I thought it added like 1 or 2.
5 to 10. They say 7, but that's an average. You want this to look good, so pull that up. Okay, well, cut right through the metal.
Yeah, you would think something that cuts through metal would
Go right through the rubber first this time. Well, where do you want it? Like, just below the curve? This is this stays here.
Yeah.
Just below the curve.
I thought I would. Why not just go straight to the manufacturer?
Okay. The next bracket.
We can need them.
No, is your car dirty?
No.
Just for one. Needle nose is what we need now.
Really, one old, one thing old.
So there's also a rubber garment fitting. Like one bolt together. And this is going to give you the mounting hose as well for the heat. And this is
Chunky beef.
Yeah, I know.
So we've got the heat shield in for the most part.
I don't know.
Yeah, looks alright. Looks alright to me.
Screw it. It's on there.
Need that 10 mil. Yep. This wrench.
Newest looking part in the car.
Is the heat shield?
Yeah. What do
Yeah.
you got?
Yeah.
Oh, I got a turbo and oh. We got heat shield.
Yeah. Fuck off with your turbo. I got a heat shield, bro. So that looks pretty evenly. So you want to make sure that it's even around there. There's no gaps, you know.
Right.
Like if I had it pushed in like this, you can see there's a big gap there.
Yeah. Then
You see there's a
suction.
big gap there. You don't want that. So make sure you're even all the way around. It's not very difficult, but it's important to do.
You want to put a screw in the bottom here to mount the shield, or are we waiting for that?
I'm gonna build this and then basically put it all in together, all the bolts and stuff.
Okay.
I was just doing that because it holds it up from sitting down. I can run it. Run it.
Oh, so the last part is after you finish it is this.
Yeah. This goes in this way. Oh, I should have faced it up. I should. Yeah, fuck it. Alrighty. Next. Got that. Got this. Got the plug in there.
But if you loosen it, make it a bit bigger.
Do what? It's all the way at the edge. Take it in 2 pieces down. Yeah, basically, we have a lot of play here because we're the ones doing this. You know what I mean?
Right.
So like I know it's just a matter of finagling because they've made it for this car specifically. So, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
So it's gotta fit in one way. You just gotta find it. And that looks about solid because that holds it. Oh yeah, it's gonna look really good. All right. Looking good, Ryan. Looking good, bud. Turn at a Yes. See? It lined up. Perfect. Yeah. Lined up again. Bam. Just like that. Lined up. Okay. I'm happy about this going on your car.
Looks nice.
You never bolted that in, man.
Oh yeah, that's right. Yeah, we need to bolt that in.
Yeah, I'd say so.
But it's definitely bolted in. That's why it's removable. It's those new removable screws.
I see.
You screw them in, then you can pull them out.
Oh, okay. Snugging everything up. And then you gotta put that one last piece in there. Maybe I'll go under it. Yeah. Ta-da! Clean up. So you want to start her up?
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Heck yeah, I mean. I'm gonna start her up. Yeah, sounds good. That noise that you fixed is back, but it's supposed to be there this time.
It is.
No check engine?
No, just close light. Just close hood and door.
Solid. Now give it a rev.
Oh,
You like the way that sounds?
that sounds good.
Yeah, it does. See, the deepness is cool and everything, but like when you're just on that intake, you can hear it sucking air in. It's like, you know what I mean? It's like. There he is.
Just in time.
Still got the video rolling and everything. Park up here.
Oh, before I forget, I gotta send it to the guy I bought the car.
Nice.
They live in my neighborhood, so they know me too.
Oh, bro, that looks good. That looks so good. Going it, bub?
Yeah.
And here's the guy I bought the car from.
Oh, that looks so good.
Yeah. Yeah. I even added a little strip here that I wasn't supposed to stop this plastic from rattling against the heat shield. Yeah.
What's it sound? It sound pretty
Oh,
good?
it sounds good, man. Hey, don't redline it. Don't fuck your car up.
I won't red wine it.
Oh, that sounds juicy.
This is deep, bro.
bro.
Sounds deep as fuck.
Oh, here, turn off.
Yeah. No, I can't get out.